How to be an effective chief judge. Congratulations, you're a chief judge. Your role isn't to judge the contest, but to be certain the contest is run fairly. You want to avoid any situation where the audience is vocally distressed and bemused by the first, second, and third place winners. Start by downloading and reading the latest rule book. The rules change every year. Pay particular attention to the qualifications of contestants and judges. Qualifications based on the Legacy Manual Educational Awards are gradually being phased out. You are responsible for recruiting the judges. The more judges you can find, the better. They'll smooth out the results. If you have too few judges, one outlier can skew the count. At the area level, recruit at least one judge from each club in the area. If you recruit more than one judge in any one club, you must have an equal number of judges from each club in the area. There's one common scenario you want to avoid. Many times, area directors will do a tit-for-tat arrangement with the other area directors to judge each other's contests. The problem with that is that they tend to choose the same sort of speech from each area, resulting in a homogeneous type of speech at the division level. A diverse slate of judges is more likely to result in greater variety and interest at the division and district contests. Before the contest, choose your tiebreaker judge. Choose someone whose judgment you trust. Again, you don't want the audience to be overly surprised by the results. Encourage all functionaries to review the contest training materials on Toastmasters.org. Brief the judges. Go over the judging form and point out the relative value of the scores in each category. Review the judges' code of ethics and address any questions. Remind them that they should return the result as quickly as possible and not make a big show of calculating their scores. Brief the contest functionaries. Be certain the timer knows that they are to keep the timing signals visible until they change to the next color. Encourage the ballot counters to pick up the ballots discreetly and coordinate so that they know immediately when all of the ballots have been collected. After the contest, oversee the counting of the ballots. Have one counter read each ballot saying the contestant name and the points earned. For example, Chuck Connors, 1 point, Bill Buckley, 2 points, Amir Alou, 3 points. Tally the score, then switch roles and add up the scores a second time. Continue until your results match 2 times in a row. Only the judges and contestants can lodge a protest about contestant eligibility or speech content. If there's a protest, gather together the judges and discuss the resolution of the issue. Consult the rules. If the scenario isn't addressed in the rule book, discuss and vote on a resolution with the judges. When the results are announced, pay close attention. If the winners are announced out of order or someone is announced the winner despite a disqualification, you have to immediately erupt with a correction. Once the winners are announced, the contest should be gavelled closed immediately. Once the gavel is dropped, no changes to the winners and order are allowed. If there was a mistake, tell no one, ever. No one needs to know. The results can't change. It will only cause unhappiness for everyone. Your primary mission is to see that the contest is run fairly and smoothly. If you base all of your decisions on that premise, you will be a successful chief judge.